Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Unusual Speculation. Finally back on the grind. We're talking about Palantir today. So today, what happened with Palantir last week and what is priced in? I got to give a shout out to Reddit user Palantir_news because this is completely taken from him, except for the analytics side. So first of all, this past week was very hectic for Palantir and just the whole market. The stock market moved very choppy with no clear sign of direction. Were we going to enter a bear market? Were we just going to have a little pullback? We didn't really know. So a lot of people panicked, and then Palantir has been doing very good. As the stock market, just the stock too, has been choppy. The company has been doing very well. If we take a look at the chart, they had a new $7 million contract with the Department of Energy. We paid off $200 million in debt, and we doubled Palantir's credit to $400 million. So a lot of good things, and we also get more details on the 414 double-click live science demo. Additional, we know for a while Cathie Wood keeps on adding shares into her ARK-K and ARK-W fund. That is very good news, because remember, she's the one that was bullish on Tesla when everyone was like, no, Tesla is going to fail. Now look where Tesla is. It's almost back at 1 trillion. So I have high hopes, and I'm bullish, and I'm holding with Cathie Wood. On March 30th, Lilium, a Palantir invested Germany-based electric air taxi company, is confirmed to go public via a SPAC, ticker QELL, and it's valued about $3.3 billion. So Palantir is one of their development partners, so that's very good, and that's very exciting because that could offer more analytics. So another thing is Karp and Cohen's pre-planned selling execution. March 29th, that's their insider selling, and that was a big thing because all these analytics were trying to twist headlines saying that insiders are selling, you need to get out, but it's not a big thing. If you take a look at the recent interviews, especially with Karp, he is so passionate about Palantir, and that is someone I really want my money in, just leading the company. So, do I think any of this is priced in? No, because the stock has reached levels around $20 from its high of $30, $40, and this fall can be contributed to short sellers, overall tech sell-off, and insider selling. Right? Again, analytics, just fear-mongering, trying to take the money out of Palantir because they know if they could get it at a cheaper price, the stock is going to be the next $1 trillion valuation company. So if we take a look at the individual events that we did, like I summing up right now, Cathie Wood, the leader of ARK Invest, has been sizing up her position in Palantir. We can see Palantir also paid off their debt, which is very good because the company, it kind of eases investors, saying that, there's less fears of inflation. We're not going to be we're not going to fall in debt and then have to sell key components of our companies to pay it off. So that gives a little comfort to new investors. And lastly, we can see all the new contracts made and the new business ventures. It offers more connections, as in they signed a $7 million contract with the Department of Energy. That's not much, and it's a good catalyst, but it's not much. But this offers connections with the Department of Energy in the future, and who knows, they could easily just recommend them to someone else as well. So this offers a connection that could lead to more and bigger and more substantial sized contracts. So this is more of like a how would I say it? This is not really a monetary thing, but it's more of like a signal for the future. Now, if Palantir can successfully satisfy the Department of Energy, it will lead to more business ventures. And again, more commercial contracts are going to be made. And keep in mind, when Palantir first debuted, I think, 50%, maybe more? I'm not too sure on the exact number, but it was all private, government contracts. But now, if we get to commercial contracts, that's even more money, and that's more sustainability for the company. Therefore, we can see Palantir hitting $60 very soon. Here at Unusual Speculation, we believe that Palantir could hit $60 by the end of July. Yes, that's ballsy, but do I believe in it? Yes, I do, because this company has so much potential. Once the market kind of prices in all these catalysts, all we need is a huge catalyst, and this stock will soar, similar to how it did before, and they're still turning back. Thank you guys for listening, and if you guys liked the video, just leave a like and hit subscribe. Thank you.